Hello, my dear student. Once again, the team of A.S.S Science Foundation is here. So today we are sharing a very inspiring story of one of our student, Rashmi Ranjan Mandal. So Rashmi Ranjan Mandal have done his BSc in physics from Utkal University, Odisha, and then he did his masters in environmental sciences from Central University of Jharkhand. So Rashmi Ranjan Mandal was studying with us in the offline batch at our Delhi center for the preparation of NET-JRF. In that series, he qualified the entrance and interview and secured rank 1 at SRM University, Andhra Pradesh, which is a well renowned university in the field of environmental health and medical sciences in that region. So, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Rashmi Ranjan Mandal for such a remarkable feat for securing rank 1 at SRM University and getting a full PhD program in the field of environmental sciences at the department. At present, the institute is offering offline, online, and correspondence with video and only correspondence program for June 2024 NET-JRF exam. Institute is also offering the GATE 2025 program for ecology evolution as well as environmental science and engineering. Institute also prepares students for all the CUET PG exams for life sciences, environmental sciences, biotech, etc. A specialized training for the interview and research proposal along with the job exam is also provided. The student who are willing to pursue their masters or the PhD from USA or Europe can also reach us. A very specialized program is designed for that. For the industrial part, we have also designed a specialized program on data analysis for the people of environmental sciences and the life sciences, along with the GIS and remote sensing program for the people of environmental sciences, which are really helpful in fetching them good job along the industries. So those who are interested, they can reach us without wasting any time because the registration as well as the demo classes are going on for June 2024. Thank you.